These time travel vlog videos are exploding right now. What would it actually look like if someone filmed inside history? That's exactly why tiny accounts are pulling 4 million, 9 million, even 10 million views with only a few uploads. And some creators are gaining hundreds of thousands of followers in weeks. The opportunity is simple. This niche still feels new, so speed matters more than perfection. First, open ChatGPT. Search for a time travel vlog GPT or use any custom prompt that turns one photo into scene prompts. Upload one clear reference photo of yourself. Then choose a location and time period that already carries built-in curiosity. Ancient Egypt, medieval London, the Titanic sinking, the Apollo 11 moon landing, or the Roman Empire. Avoid generic places because famous history creates instant click value. Generate 5 image prompts and 5 matching video prompts, no more than 5 scenes, because short structure protects retention. Scene 1 must place you inside the event immediately. Scene 2 shows nearby action. Scene 3 reveals something unexpected. Scene 4 changes perspective, and Scene 5 ends with the strongest visual. Now move to Google Flow and start an image generation mode using a realistic frame as your base. Paste the first image prompt, upload your reference image if the feature is available, set vertical format 9:16, choose the highest quality option, and generate multiple variations. Pick the frame where your face is clear and the background tells the story instantly: workers, movement, scale, atmosphere. Repeat this for all 5 prompts, but keep only one strong image per scene because weak frames reduce final realism. Once your 5 images are ready, switch inside Google Flow to video generation. Upload the first selected image as the starting frame, paste the matching motion prompt, keep movement natural, set duration around 8 to 10 seconds, then generate. The goal is not dramatic movement, it's believable vlog realism. Slight camera shake, natural head turn, background motion, subtle environmental activity. If camera control is available, split movement into short actions. First look behind, then slow pan left, then react forward. That creates stronger realism than one flat motion pass. Repeat this for every scene. Now, editing. Open Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut, place clips in order, cut fast, remove dead frames, and keep visual change happening before attention drops. Add captions immediately because silent viewers decide in 1 second whether to stay or leave. Use bold, simple captions, lower screen, no decorative fonts. Then add one top label that explains the moment instantly. I went to Egypt to watch the pyramids being built. That one line improves comprehension before viewers even process the visuals. Add subtle ambient sound only: wind, crowd noise, stone movement. Never overpower the realism with heavy music. And for stronger retention, never start with your strongest scene. Save your biggest reveal for the end, so every clip feels like it leads somewhere bigger. That's why this format works. Every scene answers one question, then creates another. Famous event, clear face, believable motion, short escalation. That's the formula. Executed consistently, and one concept can turn into dozens of historical videos. Because once viewers watch one impossible moment, they immediately want another.